first of all, I'm sure everybody here can relate to the chaotic and often complicated family dynamics in a Filipino household. Sabi nga nila, hindi Pinoy ang pamilya kung walang drama. Lalo na kapag may kainan. So that's what we love to see and discuss here. And that is why we cannot wait for you to actually share some insights behind the scenes, behind the making of the film. So very risky kasi ang hirap i-balance nung humor lalo na kapag mabigat yung problema. But you did it so beautifully. Kaya naman napakaganda. I'm so excited for everybody to watch it. Now I'm gonna go to Miss Agot and Miss Jody. Without spoiling everybody here, tell us about your characters and how did you prepare for it emotionally? Let's begin with Miss Agot.
I play Paz. Ako yung mommy ni Joe, played by Jody. And I come home. I make a grand homecoming to that family na meron akong ginawa in the past. I don't know if I'm allowed. Pero yun, so I made a very major impact sa buhay ni Jody because nga I was an absentee mother. And then the chaos, parang yun nga, since I was telling MJ kanina, parang I was the one who really opened the moods of the family. And then yun, and then from there, yung beautiful chaos na sinasabi natin doon. And then maybe healing, maybe some excitement, maybe some fighting there. So yun, like a family, any family drama or encounter.
So umuwi ka para manggulo.
Yes! Para ako yung bagyo.
Nanggulo si Miss Paz. Now, let's move on to Miss Jody. Miss Jody, tell us about your character. Sino ka dito and paano ka nag-prepare for this character?
Okay, ang character ko dito ay si Joe. Anak ako ni Paz. So, ako yung bata na sabi natin inabandona niya for 20 years. So, si Joe ay isang writer. Mataas ang pangarap niya sa buhay. She's hyper-independent. And she knows na marami siyang kailangan mga bagay na i-deal sa sarili niya. So meron siyang isang therapist na... wait lang, okay. Meron siyang therapist. Malalaman niyo kung sino ang therapist na ito. At kung bakit kami natatawa. Meron siyang therapist na tumulong sa kanya. And just when she thought na she had it all together, she had it figured out, yung plans niya, yung dreams niya, biglang dumating ang isang storm sa buhay niya, sa katauhan ni Paz.
The name of Paz.
Yes, tulad nga ng sabi mo, yung nanggulo, umuwi para manggulo. So, yun. So, doon magsa-start yung panibagong journey ng buhay ni Joe. Paano siya ngayon mabubuhay sa presensya ng isang tao na kilala niya bilang ina, pero para sa kanya, hindi naman nagpakaina.
Ang bigat nun. Pero gusto na natin enlighten up yung mood, no? Kasi parang medyo may different side dun sa pagbanggit.
Sorry naman.
Okay. Pero tama, ang ganda ng pagkakalatag ng karakter. Pero may gusto lang po ako linawin. For Miss Jody, it's Jo. But from Miss Agot, it's Joe.
It's Joanne.
Joanne. We love that. I feel like you guys are gonna relate to the reference later and we're so excited about that. So, bago natin himayin, you mentioned that ganito, ganyan, ganoon, found the perfect home on Netflix because of the platform's courage to tell this story, which allowed you to stay faithful to your vision. Now, looking back, what has this partnership taught you about your craft as a filmmaker, and how has it shaped the way you approach storytelling today?
Naku, dami ko natutunan dito. I did learn a lot. I mean, even if I will say, okay, I thought I knew everything, but dami ko natutunan kay Luis, kay Bene, at saka sa pagtrabaho with Netflix people. Particularly in terms of being sensitive to the needs of the audience. Although, I mean, humility was one of the things that I had to learn, and I had to be able to, I had to cut out some scenes. In the editing, it was sort of like grueling because there were some scenes that I did not want to let go of, but I had to let go of. But then I had to respect their point, and I saw their point. They were making a point, and so in the end, when I saw the whole film locked already, I said, "Tama sila," and I learned it's narrative pacing that I learned from them, which I think is kind of different already now. It's evolving. The craft is evolving. Narrative pacing has its own form now. And the Netflix people taught me.
I love that. The humility of it all.
Yeah.
Despite, making this beautiful film, you still admitted na parang ang daming natutunan along the way. So
Yep.
that's what we love hearing from you, Sir Cholo. So maraming salamat. Now I'm gonna move on to Jody. Miss Jody, you are a mom already. So as a mom yourself, was there a scene in ganito, ganyan, ganoon that hit differently because of your own experiences and in raising a child? And what emotions yung nalabas mo dun sa scene na yun or sa pelikulang yun?
As a mother myself, siguro Joy, ang akin is yung tinatry kong intindihin si Paz. Kasi bilang nanay, may anak ako na parang, paano siya umabot sa ganon? Paano niya ako iniwan? Kasi kung ako, parang kahit anong mangyari, ilalaban mo yung anak mo, di ba? Kumbaga, parang sa hirap at ginhawa magsasama kayo. Pero, paano siya umabot sa ganun? And ako naman, parang bilang anak din naman ako, kung sa akin nangyari to in real life, paano ko siya gagawin? Sa totoo lang, hindi ko rin talaga alam. So, I really had to talk to Direk. Parang, Direk, kailangan ipaintindi mo sa akin. May mga bagay na parang for me, may mga butas. So, kailangan lang nating pagtagpi-tagpiin because at the end of the day, parang hindi ko pwedeng i-judge yung character ko. Kasi if I begin to judge my character, then I won't be able to play her. I won't be able to be faithful to her. Hindi ko siya mabibigyan ng conviction. Hindi ko rin naman pwedeng i-judge yung character ni Pa. So marami talagang discussion, parit-parito na usapin para lang din talaga mabuo si Joe. And yun, siguro
Para kami nagte-therapy.
At least libre therapy sessions na for everybody.
lagi yung okay sa sineto, paano nangyari to? Tapos ito yung mga scenarios, bakit well anyway, parang siya nagiging therapy session every time magde-discuss kami ng eksena. But it's helpful because habang ginagawa namin yung prosesong yun, ang dami rin nabubuksan sa amin. And then sometimes pag ginawa mo na yung eksena, sometimes you plan certain things sa isang scene. And then masusurprise ka na lang na yung plinano mo, totally hindi ganun yung mangyayari. So you just go with what's organic and with what's real.
Feeling ko ang makakasagot niya ang iyong ina. Si Miss Paz. Dahil parang ang bigat talaga ng pinagdaanan ni Joe bilang anak. And even Miss Jody herself, parang tinatry niyang intindihin kung bakit ganun din yung naging karakter mo. So ipaintindi mo sa amin, Mama Agot or Paz. Kasi napakarami na natin pelikula about forgiveness, no? Pero sa totoong buhay, hindi naman talaga lahat ng sugat kayang paghilumin, katulad ng sugat ni Joe na anak mo dito sa pelikulang ito. So after doing this film, do you believe, having played Paz and playing this character, do you believe that closure always requires reconciliation? Or can someone find peace? Nakakahanap bang isang tao ng kapayapaan kahit hindi nila nakukuha yun from reconciliation?
Alam mo, I just turned 60. So, mas ngayon, I think for everyone, ayaw na natin ng bagahe. So, yung tipong, yung forgiveness na ina-expect, sometimes we expect not the forgiveness, for the apology. Diba? For us to forgive that person needs to apologize to us. Pero habang tumatanda ka, ayaw mo na ng mga bagahe sa buhay. And naiisip mo na, the healing and the forgiveness happens sa sarili. It's not from the other person. The person does not have to ask or does not have to apologize. it's really an inner work. So, siguro with what happened to the two, meron kasing, may blame May blame na nangyari sa kanya, may blame na nangyari kay Paz. That eventually, parang nag-agree sila at some point na hindi kailangan pinag-uusapan. Diba? It was not talked about, but it was sort of inaccept na because we are family, we are mother-daughter. Hindi yung, and then nakita niya yung point ko, nakita ko rin yung point niya. So in the end, and then of course there's this illness na looming over us, diba? We know that there's a finality, diba, to the whole situation. So meron kaming ganon. It's an inner work for her, and inner work for me. So more than anything, it does not come from the other person, but it really comes from yourself.
Grabe, no? From those two questions, nakita na natin yung emotions ng dalawa nating cast natin.